we'll go on to the next problem. Even Fibonacci numbers. Each new term in the Fibonacci sequence is generated by adding the previous two terms. By starting with 1 and 2, the first 10 terms will be this. By considering the terms in the Fibonacci sequence whose value do not exceed 4 million, find the sum of the even valued terms. So the limit is 4 million. Okay. Okay. We define. We'll just make functions that match the problems. Nice. So I guess. Okay, we're back. Let me just check here. I think we're back. Yeah. So I was thinking of giving it a variable, but make it default 4 million, which would be the limit. Where the calculations should stop. So how should we do this? We could solve this recursively, which is a cool way of writing Fibonacci. Yeah, but we could also use just the reduce again, which would be it's like we should initialize the accumulator. So we could go like enum reduce while, and we do have like an infinite. Yeah, so I guess this would be kind of more fun, better solving it recursively. So Fibonacci Fib, let's call it Fib, starts with 1 and 1, and we'll have an accumulator which will initialize with 0. Alright, and so we've got this function who has at least 2 elements in its at the front of the list, then something else which is trivial, which is not important, and we got the accumulator where we store the even valued terms, we accumulate those values. So we call the function again recursively, and at the top of the list we add the sum of those two elements we unpacked in the list, and we also leave the previous two. So we had 1 1 1 1 here, 1 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 2, so the new list is 2 1 1, and so the next iteration will be 2 plus 1, which is 3, and then 3 will be in the head. Alright, but before we do it, we update the accumulator here, h1 plus h2. The remainder of division by 2 is 0, so that's how we know it's even. Then we add those to the accumulator, else we just leave the accumulator as is, and then we'll send it on to recursion. Okay, but we also need to send the limit, right? So send the limit. Limit for this case is not important, it's fine. But we should put the first matching function to check that the head limit. So when head is greater than the limit, then return the accumulator. Otherwise, it's just going to loop here until the head becomes bigger than 4 million. Alright, okay, so that's it. Right, so save it. Now auto reload, not work here, as far as I can see. We didn't put a list here. Alright. And the limit is missing. Limit, right. Alright. And the rest can go here, yeah. Although we can ignore it. Doesn't really matter, so let's not fill the list with unnecessary data, right? So we can even ignore H2. Just have the next parts to sum up. Right. Alright. Why is my auto reload this? It's not working. Doesn't matter. Let's import the object Euler. Now we can call even Fibonacci numbers. We don't have to give it arguments. And we get this number. Okay, is this number correct for this? Let's find out. Maybe I misunderstood the problem. No, that's good. Alright.